Satisfying blackhead removal. Deep pore extraction. Before after. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching blackheads being removed. The smooth extraction, the instant pore clearing, and the dramatic before and after transformation make blackhead removal videos one of the most viewed skincare trends online. But beyond the satisfaction, proper blackhead removal is essential for maintaining healthy, clear skin. Blackheads form when oil, sebum, dead skin cells, and debris clog the pores. When exposed to air, this trapped buildup oxidizes and turns dark, creating the appearance of small black dots, commonly on the nose, chin, and forehead. In this guide, we'll break down a safe and effective blackhead removal process, step by step, while highlighting the satisfying transformation. Step 1. The before. Clogged pores. Rough texture. Before extraction, the skin often appears oily and shiny, rough to the touch, covered with visible black dots, pores enlarged and clogged. The nose area usually shows the highest concentration of blackheads due to excess oil production. Step 2. Deep cleansing. Preparing the skin. A proper cleanse removes surface dirt and prepares pores for extraction. Use a gentle foaming or gel cleanser and massage for at least 1 minute. This step removes excess oil, prevents pushing bacteria deeper, softens the top layer of debris. Never skip cleansing before extraction. It reduces irritation and infection risk. Step 3. Steam therapy. The satisfying prep. Steam is what makes blackhead removal smoother and more satisfying. Warm steam softens hardened oil plugs and opens pores naturally. How to steam. 5 to 8 minutes. Safe distance from hot water. Gentle pat dry afterward. After steaming, you'll notice pores look more open and blackhead slightly raised. Ready for extraction. Step 4. The most satisfying part. Blackhead extraction. This is the transformation moment. Using a sterilized cum-done extractor tool, apply gentle pressure around the clogged pore. As pressure is applied, the dark plug slowly slides out, revealing a clean pore underneath. Why it's satisfying. Visible removal of buildup, immediate smoothness, clear pore opening, texture improvement. Important tips. Never dig or scratch. Avoid excessive force. Stop if skin becomes red or painful. Proper extraction prevents scarring and inflammation. Step 5. Multiple pore clearing. Texture transformation. When multiple blackheads are removed, the change becomes dramatic. The nose appears smoother, less textured, visibly cleaner, less shiny. This is where the before and after difference truly stands out. Step 6. Clay mask. Deep detox oil control. After extraction, applying a clay mask helps absorb leftover oil and tighten pores. Benefits. Removes remaining impurities, controls oil production, minimizes pore appearance, soothes irritation. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse gently. Step 7. Cooling. Calming the skin. After deep pore cleaning, skin may look slightly red. Cooling helps calm and tighten pores. Use alcohol-free toner, aloe vera gel, cold compress. This step prevents dirt from re-entering open pores and reduces redness. Before after. The satisfying transformation. Before, dark visible blackheads, rough, uneven texture, enlarged pores, oily shine. After, smooth surface, clean refined pores, reduced shine, brighter skin tone. The immediate difference is why blackhead removal content is so addictive to watch. The transformation is visible within minutes. How to maintain clear pores. To keep that satisfying smooth result, cleanse twice daily, exfoliate 1 to 2 times weekly, avoid heavy pore clogging products, use non-comedogenic skincare, stay consistent with routine, avoid overextraction. Doing it too often can damage skin and enlarge pores permanently. When to see a professional. If you have painful acne, deep cystic breakouts, extremely sensitive skin, it's best to visit a licensed dermatologist or professional esthetician for safe extraction treatments. Final thoughts. Satisfying blackhead removal isn't just about the visual appeal, it's about restoring smooth texture and improving skin health. When done safely and correctly, deep pore extraction can dramatically improve the appearance of clogged skin. Remember, gentle pressure, clean tools, and proper aftercare make all the difference. Clear pores, smooth skin, instant satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.